Okay.
Check.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Fire up. It ain't very fast right now. Something's wrong with it.
Something is wrong with it.
You ready?
I'll bring it down.
You gotta bring her down if you shut the throttle off. It's gonna come in quick, son.
Lost it. Oh.
Look out, look out. Don't hit me with it. Don't hit me with it.
Oh, no.
Get the power on, get the power on.
I don't know what exactly you're doing there.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it in this way.
No!
Hey.
Good job, D. You done better than hey.
Yep.
Oh, wind. That's wind.
I lost it.
I got it.
No, I lost it on the screen.
Oh my God.
It's fast. It's not.
I don't know where it is.
This thing is fun. I need sunglasses.
Get her out the way. I'm not climbing those trees again.
That thing moves! Oh God! Oh!
Dude, I did that when I slammed her down the ground.
It got out of control.
This thing has already crashed majorly. I can't believe it still
I
flies.
put it on 70%.
I put it on 70%. Hopefully it still works.
Oh man.
We'll do a system
Well, the
check.
prop's still there. It should still work.
Daisy,
Daisy, take it easy.
I knocked this loose. That's
Should
what
have glued that back down, son.
System check.
Okay.
Okay. Well, hold it.
It don't have near the pull it used to. Go ahead. You ready?
Lower. I need high rate.
Oh!
I couldn't change it.
That thing's tough though.
I couldn't change it to high rate fast enough. It's our turn. I changed it. I'm like, ah!
Yeah, the prop has been pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Real good. The wings popped out.
Rate. Other way. Other way.
That's better. Prop flew for it.
It spun it right off.
No, it flew off. What the heck?
It spun right off.
Was it going backwards or something?
I don't know.
Oh, it came right off. That's all.
Oh, it just squeezes on there. Okay.
Oh, okay. Is it on high rate? That was a pretty good landing, actually.
I don't know. It won't
Let's
turn.
get it. You got our battery?
I gotta check something. This going bonkers.
All right.
Be missing on
New battery. It goes much faster now. We haven't flown it yet, but the prop does. It's the windy. Oh!
Oh, dang it.
I just think you knocked the wing out of it.
I think I broke it.
Where's the prop? Oh!
Oh my God.
Dad! He broke it.
Oh, dang it.
Still plugged in, son. Don't bump the controller.
Hang on.
It makes a hell of a noise.
Everything still works.
Oh well, we can make like an airboat or something now with all the parts. Oh, are you throwing up? Yes, you are.
Good for you.
Oh, let's get you on tape throwing up.
We can put that motor in the car.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, Dad, that thing would go so fast. It'd go too fast for it.
I don't think you want two ruined planes, do you?
That's a Brussels